basically what used to happen, let me show you that. It will be something like this, that you will have this like this, okay? And suppose you will have this encryption, okay? Encryption, and you will have the decryption, right? Decryption. Now you will have the plain text here, plain text, and this is the ciphertext, okay? Or you can say the encrypted, right? So it's like there is a relation that plain text to ciphertext, you will use encryption, and from ciphertext to plain text, or yeah, the encrypted text to plain text, you will use a decryption technique, right? On every bit of the particular thing, like suppose, as I said, your password is suppose AADEN, right? So these are the multiple different bits. It will consider J as a separate bit, then A, then D, then E, then N. So all these bits are separate, right? All these bits are separate. So in that case, what may happen is, like, these particular bits will be like the cryptographic algorithm will be operated on the bit sequence. Every individual sequence it used to operate, and it uses the mathematical algorithms for securing the information, basically, right?
Yeah.
So that's what the thing is, and basically it is quite useful when you are doing the secure communication, right, between the channel. Because what will happen, like when in a channel you will try to send some of the message to some other person, so during the data transfer might be possible that all these things will get revealed by someone, right? So maybe there is a kind of a cyber attack hacker maybe there, and he will try to get what information you are sending over the network, right? So if you are already sending it in the form of encrypted data, that particular guy will not be able to take that, right? So that's what the thing is, right? So that particular guy will not be able to understand like what you are actually being sending, right? But the other guys, like if the other guy have the information about how the particular thing is actually going on, then in that basically might be possible, like he can find it out, or he can figure it out what is happening, right? So in that case, we have to be very much cautious, like while using that particular thing, like which algorithm actually we are using. We have to be very much careful about using that. Any sort of doubt in this?
No.
No?
No.
So that's how basically you can just think about like what values like you can be holding it, and what it will increment it will be, right? So that's what the thing is, right?
Yeah.
So that's how basically you will be able to solve this particular thing. Any sort of or anything or any question which is coming into your mind?
So basically just encryption is from plain text to ciphertext, and decryption is from ciphertext to plain text. And
Yes.
plain text is just the regular, like, like text, but ciphertext is like when each and every character in the text is given a value.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So
All right.
yeah, you can solve this particular thing, right? So
All right.
yeah, so that's how basically you can do this. Any sort of doubt or any doubt?
No.
So do you have any kind of like the assignment you were saying?
Yes.
Can we go through that?
Yeah, I can share. I just figured out I can share my screen now.
Oh, okay, that's great.
I don't have to take a picture now. All right. Can you see my screen?
I can see. Guess the password. Okay. This is the question. Imagine you forgot your 4 dates passcode for your phone, and you need to guess the correct passcode. Okay. write a program to guess passcode for you that will speed up the process. The secret passcode has been randomly generated and is stored inside a variable called secret passcode. Okay, starting with 0000, every possible passcode all the way up to 9999. Once the passcode has been guessed, print out how many guesses it took to reach the correct. Okay, so discuss the following questions with the partner. How many possible passcodes will you need to guess before you have guessed every possible passcode? Why is this dangerous for the security of your phone? Imagine a hacker had access to your phone and had written a program to guess every possible passcode until they had broken it. What defenses? Okay, could we built in the phone to keep this guess and check strategy from working? Okay, so basically what you need to do, first of all, you need to write the random passcode thing, right? So 4-digit passcode. So you can see that they are already generating this random passcode, right?
Yeah.
In this line number 17 to 20, right? Now, you need to go to this random passcode generator. So can you come down? I think there will generate random passcode. Secret passcode, right? You are having secret passcode basically. Now what you need to do, like you have the secret passcode already. Now what you will do, you will apply a for loop and you can make an integer count. Okay, so can you come down a bit?
That's the farthest down.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. So basically, if you will see, you need to guess the passcode, right? So you already know that it's a 4-digit number, right? It's a 4-digit number, right? So what you will do basically, you need to go from the particular value, like you will start from 0. Like you need to start from 0, right? So yeah, you need to start from 0. One more thing we need to do, like if suppose you are having 0, right? So suppose you are having 0, you will increase that particular thing, because see, your passcode will always be a 4 character. Are you getting my point? Like your passcode will always be a 4 character. So it can be anything, like it can be 0000, it can be 0001, right? Actually, right? So in that case, what you can do, like you can start with 0, right? What we can do some sort of padding there. Okay, we will do some sort of padding, and basically that pad string we can just add every time, because might be possible if suppose see, if you are starting from 0, okay, if you're starting from 0, then what will happen? Your input will be 0, but actually you will require 0000, right? Like everything will require, right? Yeah. So what you can actually do is basically you need to return that particular value also. Okay, like guess code should be equal to your correct code. Getting my point? Yeah. Like whatever you are guessing, that should be correct code actually. Correct? Yeah. For that, can you come back to assignment, like where assignment is written? Yeah. Yeah. So see, they are saying starting with 0000, guess every possible passcode all the way up to 9999, right? So what you will do, like first of all, you can write basically what you can do, you can write a for loop, right? And you will start with 0 itself. Okay, you will start with 0 itself. Getting my point? Like this? Yeah. So you for I in range 0 comma
oh yeah, 9.
No, 10,000 you need to go, because 9999, because last number is excluded, right?
So do I just do
10,000? No, dot dot 10,000, right? Yeah, you will go till here, or then open, like, yeah, go to the next line. Okay, now you can say that now it can come in any way, like 0, it can be from starting also, right? Or it can be from ending also, right? Any number can be there. You can write if I is less than equal to 9. If I is less than equal to 9. So if I will be less than equal to 9, what you will do, you will go to next line.
Oh, yep.
Go to next line. Yeah. And you can type it here. Okay, random password is a string, right? Random password they are making as a string. So what you can write, you remove this, I will tell you. You can write if I is less than equal to 9, and you can type if
Oh,
open the curly brace. Oh, sorry, open the braces, that parenthesis. No,
uh,
parenthesis, yeah. If secret passcode equal to start a string
what string?
like double quotes.
Oh,
Yeah, and inside this you write 0, 0, 0,
0, 0,
0,
0.
0, and then open a curly brace and close it. Inside this only. Inside this, open a curly brace and close it. Then after outside this dot format. No,
Oh, there.
not here. Outside of just quotes. Outside the quotes. Yeah. Dot format. I.
ID?
Dot format in parentheses.
Okay. That's it?
No. After format, they open one more parenthesis. After
Okay.
format, yeah, here. I.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's it. Go inside this if condition. And you can type here. So basically here, if this will happen and if both will match, right, then you are good, right?
Yeah.
So then you can do count plus plus. Yeah, count plus, no, not plus plus one. Count plus plus or count plus equal to 1. Anything you can do. Count plus equal to 1, yes. And then next line you can use break.
Break.
Yeah, that's it. So that means from 0 to 9 something will be there, and it will increase, then it will do like this. Okay, it will break. Now go to the next line. And go to this if level. Go to the one is here. Okay. Now if
Oh,
right, if I is less than 99, less than not greater than.
less than equal to.
No, you type greater than equal to. You type less than equal.
Oh, sorry.
Right? Yeah. Go inside this. Copy the above condition only if secret code equal to. Yeah, exact same. Yeah, here. Copy it, everything. Okay, and this 000 is mentioned, right? 000 and then curly braces are there. Instead of that, write 00. Line 33 000 is there, right? Write 00. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Then you can type elif.
Oh, okay. I see. By doing this,
yeah.
By doing this, we refer to all the possible passcodes underneath.
Yes. So it's a brute force actually. Now it will go till 999.
Yeah. Now we just do single 0 here.
Single time. Yes. And then after that you can do like if I is less than equal to 9999.
Yeah, for
right. In that case, you can just simply take without any 0. Right.
So.
But keep that elif. No, this order is not correct in line 40. Like after that, you have 9999. You need to apply the semicolon. If should be inside that. the no, sorry, colon, apply colon here. Yes, and if should be indented. If is not indented,
Oh,
have to indent it properly. Yes, here you type if, right? Count equal to count plus one break. Yeah, and finally, there can be one condition where your else if, like, these conditions are there, right? So if any one of them will succeed or not succeed anytime, count will definitely be increased, right? Like after every iteration, either it will go in if, elif, and anyone it will give, it will go. So you can do one thing, like everywhere you are doing count plus equal to one, right? If condition, you should do that. Like suppose line 42 is there, right? So you need to write line 42 before line 41. That's what I mean to say. Getting my point?
if line equals what?
Like count plus equal to 1, it is a line 42, right?
Yeah.
You should write it before 41 actually. So you remove it from here, right? Remove it from here and write it after 999. Yeah, enter. Yeah, here. And similarly do for every particular item.
Oh, okay, for all of them.
Yes. Okay. Yes. And finally, you will like this will give you everything, and then you can finally print count, right, at the end. Like you can do this first. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. And finally, you have to print the count, right? Once the passcode generated has been guessed, print how many guesses it take to reach the count. And one more thing, before line 27, make count is equal to 0 before line 27.
Oh, yeah.
You will start.
Start a counter, yeah.
Yeah, count equal to 0. Okay, and at last line, you can print the count.
Last line I can do what?
Print the count. They ask you to print how many guesses it took to reach the correct one, right? That is you need to print the count.
Okay, how about guesses?
Yeah, you can do that. Yes. That's try to see what output are you getting.
You should call is correct.
Is correct. Okay, where is it correct? They have created is correct, or we need to create?
I think we have to. Or no, not it's right here.
It's okay. So actually, what they are doing, guess code and correct code. And okay, understood. What the thing is, like what they currently what we are doing, we are using this if and else condition, right? Come down. Come down.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Yeah. Come down.
I'll keep going. Okay.
Yeah. Keep going. After this loops only, you should come. For I in range 0, 10,000, come to that level.
Oh, yeah.
So now here you can see we are calling this if secret passcode equal to this, right? Instead of that, what you can do one thing. After line 31, go to next line. After line 31, go to next line. Yeah, hit enter once. Not here. Above. Yeah, here. Yeah. Now here, what you can do, you can write guessed code. Guess code. Guess is equal to this one only. This 000 and this format completely. Yeah. No, not all. Curly
okay.
Okay. So what we will do.
So like this.
Yeah. This part. Yes, exactly. You will do this, and then you will call if inside this you can call if inside this you can call is correct. Inside if condition, you can remove the complete if condition. You can remove the complete if, no, not inside here. In the bracket itself. In the parentheses of this, here. Yeah. Remove this condition, and you can call correct. Yeah, you can call is correct. Is underscore correct was there, right? Can you check that? What was that? Is underscore correct?
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Is correct. And first you can give guessed code, and other you can get secret passcode.
Yes.
No, not equal to. In parentheses, you need to call this function, right? They want you to call this function. Is correct. Remove this. No. Yeah, you can remove this. Call this. Yeah, parenthesis is correct. Parenthesis. No, not closing one. No.
Oh, yeah. I see. Sorry.
Yeah, this one. And inside this, you should give guess code, comma, secret passcode. Guess underscore code, comma, secret passcode. Passcode. Yes. If that is there, you remove this here. Just you can break it. Okay. If that is the condition, yeah. This you need to do with other else condition also. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can write the same thing in other else condition, like below. Below you can see, right?
Oh, below, yeah.
Line 37. So you can do the same thing. Guess code equal to this time double.
Okay.
Okay, and guess code will become that one. You remember that above whatever you have written.
Like this?
Yeah, this is fine. This guess code also you need to update, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And double equal. Or this double 0. 2 times 0 will be 2. No. Not this. I'm saying this 0 should be 2 times.
Oh, sorry.
Right? Yeah.
My bad.
Now you can copy it and you can paste it. Yes.
Okay. Boom.
Yes. Correct. 1 time. Yes. And then
Same thing here.
Same thing. Yes. Same thing here. Yes. Correct. Now this none of the time will come.
So that's it.
0 will not come anytime in the last one line. Yes. Now you check it. 0 is correct. You need to call, right?
All right.
Done. Yeah.
All right. That was my last assignment.
Oh, that was the only assignment you have. Okay.
Yeah.